Greetings from the road trip of the future. Today, we'll give you a behind-the-scenes look at the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome, a mobile masterpiece that redefines luxury and adventure. Chevrolet has been known for creativity and dependability since its founding, and their newest motorhome exemplifies that dedication with an aerodynamic appearance that combines strong, contemporary lines with traditional Chevy elements. A potent V8 engine, most likely a 6.6L V8 petrol variant with 401 horsepower, 299 kilowatts, and 629 newton-meters, 464 lb-ft of torque, or a more potent 6.6L Duramax Turbo-Diesel V8 with 470 horsepower, 350 kilowatts, and 1,322 newton-meters, 975 lb-ft of torque, sits beneath this attractive exterior. These engines are paired with a quick 10-speed automatic gearbox, giving you the strength and efficiency to handle any road trip, whether it is cruising down the interstate or climbing steep mountains. The stylish, ergonomic dashboard that greets you as soon as you enter is made for optimal comfort and control. The main attraction is a sizable, probably 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment display that offers wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, a top-notch audio system, and easy access to navigation. Behind it, a completely digital instrument cluster shows all of the important driving data. Well-positioned physical controls provide convenient access when on the road, and improved material quality gives every element, from upholstery to trim, a high-end feel. Going back farther, the inside of the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is intended to be a roomy, multi-purpose living area. The kitchen, bedroom, and living room all flow together seamlessly because of the open-plan layout. Every nook and cranny is embellished with high-end materials including smooth leather seats, hardwood flooring, and sleek metal or carbon fiber accents. When parked, a motorized slide-out feature gives you unexpected room by expanding the living area. Large panoramic windows provide breathtaking views from every location, and adjustable ambient LED lighting offers the ideal atmosphere for every time. The master bedroom provides a peaceful haven after a day of exploring. It has a luxurious mattress and a cozy queen or king-size bed, guaranteeing a good night's sleep. There is plenty of storage in a roomy closet with sliding or folding doors, and bedside tables may include Wi-Fi and USB charging points. Your leisurely experience is completed with a flat-screen TV and a personal entertainment system with soft reading illumination. This 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome's bathroom was created with both elegance and utility in mind. A full-size shower with a glass door that allows for easy mobility, a rainforest showerhead, and sufficient water pressure is available. Luxurious touches include a huge mirror with built-in lighting, a ceramic toilet with an effective flush mechanism, and a sophisticated sink with a designer faucet. Practicality is guaranteed without compromising style thanks to moisture-resistant, easily cleaned materials and clever cabinet storage. Prepare to cook exquisite dishes in this well-thought-out kitchen. It has top-notch stainless steel appliances, such as a large double sink, a gas or induction stove with many burners, a convection oven and microwave, and a refrigerator and freezer the size of a house. In addition to being practical, sturdy solid surface counters also offer a hint of elegance. All of your culinary equipment are kept organized with plenty of storage space in the upper cabinets and soft-close lower drawers. Traveling in the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is about savoring each moment along the way, not simply getting to your goal. It's a mobile house made for countless explorations. Are you prepared to go out on your next adventure?